legal weight is already there. Yung issue nila doon, I think it's slightly sued. The thing that we have to discuss with Sergeant Gutesa is, totoo ba yung nagbigay ka kay Mark at saka kay Paul ng pera? Totoo ba linggo-linggo nagdi-deliver kayo 3 times a week? I think these are the issues that have to be addressed.
Yeah, but those are also the questions asked during the Senate hearing. If of course, hindi ho ba? Pero ang problema ho kasi dito, which dinala nyo na po yung conversation is, well, first is, ito ngang sinasabi ni lawyer na ganito po. Ang sabi niya, and I quote, I categorically deny notarizing, signing, or participating in the preparation of the said document. The signature and notarial details attributed to me are falsified and unauthorized. Ibig sabihin po, yung signature ni attorney dyan, hindi siyang gumawa. Yung yung sinasabing pag-prepare nitong affidavit, wala po siya dyan. Yung kanyang pag-participate doon sa preparation of the document, yung pag-sign, sinasabi na niya po, I categorically deny. So
then
now,
it should be investigated. She should be investigated. As far as Gutesa's statement is concerned, it is legal. Kung dinideny niya yon, doesn't matter. Legal yung statement ni Gutesa. What he said during the Senate hearing has legal weight. It can be as evidence. Walang pinagkaiba yung ninotarize doon sa statement niya because he read the same thing. So if people are saying mali yun, hindi notarize, doesn't matter. What is that legal basis ngayon? Kung imbestigahan nila, good. They should investigate that lawyer. They should investigate what happened.
So